And block everything?
Block the wind, man.
Help it down, listen.
This is not a picture, Debbie. Now you can just
I'm
more.
on video? Oh.
You're on video, so.
Oh, okay. I thought you were supposed to stand there. Actually, you can lay down there and block the wind. If you lay on your side.
We were thinking more of Bob.
Bob's not
You want to see
that.
my naked ass is what you want to do.
Oh, hell.
I know that's what you're trying to do.
Oh, yeah.
Qué rico está eso, qué rico. Qué rico. Y esta, tú sabes lo que es tomando Coca-Cola con el frío este que es, mira eso, mira, tomando Coca-Cola, ¿hasta cuándo? A ver, si este tomando qué, Coca-Cola también. No, Alfredo, te voy a tener que traer una loción que yo tengo en mi casa, ¿oíste? Tengo una loción en la casa buenísima, Alfredo. ¿Eh? Para las canas y para el pelo caído no tiene nombre. Trabaja para las dos.
¿Y para dónde nos va a ir algo?
No, eso es más tarde. Eso es más tarde. Uy, qué clase de frío hay aquí. Wow. ¿Y esta cabeza de quién es? Ah, esa es la que estaba comiendo ahorita. Another head.
All I want to know is how did Ray get his burger and chili, and he's already consumed it all.
Bob.
And we're still waiting on chili.
Bob, it's not possible. You've been drinking and not paying attention. You never order any chili or anything like that. You've just been drinking beer and that's it.
Oh, he loves chili.
We ordered.
We have a chili cook-off every year.
We ordered it.
I'm going to find out right now.
Would you?
There's Bob right there.